Recently, we taught you a juice recipe that made a lot of success, besides being good to the heart and circulatory system. Today, we are back with another amazing recipe that, besides helping protect the heart, especially of elders, is also rich in antioxidants and has nutrients that help regulate blood pressure. For this recipe, you will need pumpkin seeds, turmeric, kiwi, watercress, and purple grapes. Because they are rich in antioxidants, these compounds fight premature cellular aging, which makes this juice good for all ages, and also for athletes and non-athletes. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to help us know how we're contributing to you and your health. Also, leave a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. This juice is rich in anthocyanins, curcumin, lutein, zeaxanthin, magnesium, and vitamin C. All of these things make this juice a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals and prevents cardiovascular diseases, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases. It also helps with sight issues, autoimmune issues, and immunity, fighting against viruses and bacteria. Write down the ingredients: 1 dessert spoon pumpkin seeds, 1/2 coffee spoon turmeric, 1 kiwi, 1 watercress portion, 10 purple grapes, seedless, 6.75 ounces cold water. Directions: combine everything in a blender and drink immediately, without straining or sweetening. Try it and share your opinion with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.